Kia ora koutou katoa, nei mai hoki mai ki te kira o Pāho.
Welcome back, whānau. We know it's been a little while. We missed out on our last broadcast of Term 2 and took a nice 3-week break, but now we're back in action for Week 2, Term 3.
We got so much to catch up on, starting with a massive throwback to our amazing Matariki celebrations from the end of last term.
Plus a super special segment honouring someone very important to our kura for Principal Appreciation Day.
Let's get straight into it. To wrap up Term 2, our kura came together to celebrate Matariki in style.
That's right, our juniors and middle school hit the dance floor for the Matariki disco, while our seniors dressed to impress for the Matariki ball. The vibes were high and the dance moves were next level.
I'm pretty new.
Our best two dancers, we have a male and a female for best dancers for today. Give us a big paki paki for our first female best dancer. Goes to Ruby Mitchell. If you didn't see her putting her pinkies up in the air, you missed it. It was beautiful. Yeah. And then our best dancer, our best male, you might have seen him doing stomp the boots. Paki Oh my goodness. He didn't have his pinkies up, but they had the boots up. Our best dressed female for 2026 goes to Mihi Mania. I think she even showed up in a hearse. Ka pai Wednesday. Looking like Wednesday. Ka pai mihi. Ka pai, and our best dressed male for 2026, none other than the man himself, Te Kahanui. Okay, so without further ado, our king and queen for 2026 goes to Aaron and Estella. Can I eat it now? Doesn't everyone wait? Ka pai, so paki for our engagement. Ka pai.
Ka mau te iwi. Everyone looked amazing and showed so much mauri ora on the dance floor.
Moving on to this week. Yesterday was Principal Appreciation Day.
Well, we couldn't let the day pass without showing some love to our principal, Mr. Fata. The whole school snuck into the hall to hit him with a huge surprise presentation.
Nā reira kāre whakatoro ia nā kuru ka noho tahi i roto i upai pō te rekura o roto i kōru. Hei rata rā i nā kuru. Nā reira, i karanga tira, i kunei te putu kaupapa, e tuku aroha. E tuku manakitanga i tātou rangatira. Nā reira, a waihotea nā kuru, ka tunu ki a koe e whai he, ko nā kuru pa tātou. Tēnā patu, tēnā pati.
Kapa morena te kura? I would just like to have the principal that we had. Just so that we know, our principal acknowledges all our hard work. Yes, sometimes he has to fail us, but all our hard work, we need to do the same. And we're going to acknowledge our principal and all his hard work. So, he's a jolly good fellow, he's a jolly good fellow, he's a jolly good fellow, and so say all of us. Hip hip! Hooray!
Mr. Fata, we truly appreciate everything you do and everything you have done for our kura. At Tamariki and our wāra whānau.
That is a wrap for our catch-up episode this week.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so our whole whānau can stay connected with everything happening at school. 3, 2, 1. Mauri ora, kia pai te koutu wiki, and we'll see you next time on Pukuro Pāho.